Welcome to Perfect Guardian, and I'll tell you the difference between states and territories. There's a difference between states and territories, though they are both concerned with land. A country is a vast expanse of land, and it can be quite difficult to manage such vast expanses when it comes to governing purpose. As a result, land has been divided into several parts. States and territories are two such categories that has been created in order to make this process an easy one. How states and territories are defined and what makes the difference between states and territories. Now, what is a state? A state can be described as an organized community that exists under a government. There can be subversion while others may be subjected to hegemony or external sovereignty. States can also refer to federated states that form a federal union, which is the sovereign state. The history of a state runs back to about 5,500 years ago when the civilization took on a rapid growth in inventing cities, writing, and religion. The modern nation state, however, is the predominant form of state which people are subject to. Max Weber describes the state as a political organization that consists of a centralized government maintaining a monopoly of the legitimate use of force within a certain area. However, according to Ian Brownlee, in order for a certain entity to be recognized as a state, one has to possess a defined territory, a permanent population, an effective government, and independence, or the right to enter into relations with other states, while also being recognized legally as a state by the international society. Now, what is territory? Territories can be defined as geographic and political country subdivisions that are used by countries in the world today as well as in the past. They can be incorporated or unincorporated while also being organized or disorganized. However, the territory that is popular use is a kind of organized incorporated territory. It consists of elected governors and legislatures, and yet citizens are not capable of voting in national elections. They only possesses a non-voting representative in the national legislature. An unorganized, unincorporated territory, however, is the area that is claimed by a national government, but where nobody lives. Several examples may be coastal waters or airspace. Now, what is the difference between states and territories? A state and territory are two designations given to area distinctions that have been imposed upon for the ease of division of land. States and territories can have different meanings in different countries. However, on general sense, there is a difference between states and territory. A state can be a government authority. This can be either the national government or regional government. A territory, on the other hand, is any area that is claimed by the government. A state has a large population and is located close to the national government. A territory is characterized by its low population and by maintaining a distance from the national government. When a country expands its border, the new area gained is usually referred to as a territory. A territory can even be coastal waters or airspace. A state cannot be these things while it can incorporate this phenomena. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Perfect Guardian and give your comments.